So how did the journey begin? Projects like Oh My God 2, they're like really A-list projects with A-list actors.
It was fun shooting. जो हमारे co-actors थे वो almost सब same age group के हैं, तो उनके साथ तो we had a blast on set, especially working with Akshay Kumar, Yamin Gautam,
Yes.
Pankaj Tripathi. Great actors.
आपने एक्चुअली लेजेंडरी अमिताभ बच्चन सर के साथ भी काम किया था. What was that experience?
So I have actually worked with Amitabh Bachchan ji thrice.
Oh,
The first ad that I did was for Kalyan Jewellers. Then I did for Muthoot Finance, and then again it was for Muthoot Finance.
do you also intend to do a reality show if you get an offer?
I would love to.
Like something like a traitor.
Something like Traitors, yeah. Definitely, I would love to do it.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ 4 PM बॉलीवुड और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट हर्षिता. हर एक एपिसोड में मैं लेकर आती हूँ एक नए सेलिब्रिटी को और आज मेरे साथ कोई ऐसा है जिन्होंने 6 साल की उम्र में फैशन शो से शुरुआत की और फिर सीधा ही बड़े पर्दे पर आ गई. सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले इंट्रोड्यूसिंग वेदिका नवानी. हाय वेदिका,
Hi.
वेलकम टू 4 PM बॉलीवुड.
Thank you for having me here.
6 साल की उम्र में फैशन शो, कैसे शुरुआत हुई इस सफ़र की?
Well, I started acting at the age of 6, जैसे आपने बोला. तो मुझे हमेशा से एक्टिंग मॉडलिंग में काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रहा है. एंड यू नो as India Kids Fashion Show was my first project, it was my first journey. I was very excited, I was also a bit nervous, but बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मज़ा आया. When I was a kid, I had really curly hair और एकदम चबी थी मैं. So everybody used to be like, okay, I think she wants to be a model or she wants to do something in this industry. Because देख के पता चल जाता है, someone who's so
Right.
fashionable and all.
Right.
Yeah, so the experience was amazing. मतलब मुझे याद तो है नहीं, I was very young, but मैं जब भी फोटोज़ या फिर वीडियोज़ देखती हूँ तो I always laugh so much because I remember मैं जब रैम्प पे गई थी तो I just did a flying kiss and then I just left. Yeah.
ओके, वहाँ पे जजेस कौन थे? दे वो
I was very young, तो मुझे इतना याद नहीं है about that.
ओके.
Yeah.
सो वहाँ से पहले से बचपन से होता है कि आप किसी एक्ट्रेस को देखो, यू स्टार्ट ड्रेसिंग अप एंड यू हैव दैट थिंग. वाज दैट आल्सो सम ड्राइविंग फोर्स? था कोई आपका ऐसा जिसको आप देख के बड़े हुए हो?
I used to watch a lot of Bollywood movies, तो definitely like Alia Bhatt, Kareena Kapoor, उनको मैं बचपन से देखते हुए आई हूँ. So I just like dressing up like them, especially Pooh, you know,
या.
like her, you
It's
know,
iconic.
the attitude and everything, it's iconic. Yeah, so I love that.
सो व्हेन डिड यू रियलाइज दैट एक्टिंग इज व्हाट यू वांट टू परस्यू?
जब मेरा स्कूल ख़त्म हुआ, मैं जब 11th ग्रेड में गई तो मैंने सोचा कि ओके दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू, दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई एक्चुअली हैव इंटरेस्ट इन. बिफोर दैट इट वाज ऑल जस्ट फन एंड यू नो मज़ा आ रहा है सेट पे जाना. बट in my 11th grade I was like, okay, this is something that I really want to do and I really want to pursue.
And then rest is history. So how did the journey begin? Projects like Oh My God 2, they're like really A-list projects with A-list actors. How did you get there?
So it's actually a very fun story. मैं जब छत्रपति के सेट पे थी, which is like my first movie that I did, मैंने तभी Oh My God 2 का audition दिया. And I was not even prepared. I was just in my hotel room and they just told me that you have to make an audition जिधर आपको salsa dance करना है.
Okay.
But मैंने ट्राई किया. It
But
was
वो तो
obviously
partner
very
के
hard.
साथ होता है.
Partner के साथ, but you just had to mime it.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it was very hard, but मैंने try कर लिया. And then as soon as I was back to Mumbai, so I was shooting in Hyderabad for Chhatrapati. As soon as I came back to Mumbai, मैं costume trials के लिए गई Oh My God 2 के. And after a few days, they were like, you selected. The director meeting is also done, like they selected you. So let's shoot. हम इंदौर में गए, shoot किया. और salsa dance, like I said, it was very hard. They edited the salsa dance scene actually, but it was fun shooting. जो हमारे co-actors थे वो almost सब same age group के, तो उनके साथ तो we had a blast on set, especially working with Akshay Kumar, Yamin Gautam,
Yes.
Pankaj Tripathi. Great actors. In fact, you know, I was shooting for this one project recently and Pankaj sir की memory इतनी अच्छी है, इतनी sharp है. He came up to me and he was like, you know, Vedika, I think Vedika ने बोला, उन्होंने बोला कि मुझे लग रहा है कि हम पहले मिले हैं, हमने पहले कहीं काम किया है. And I was just so happy after listening to that.
And
Yeah.
then did you reintroduce yourself?
I
to-
did, I did.
Any experience on set with, Yami Gautam, Akshay, or, for that matter, even Pankaj ji?
हम जब कोर्ट का सीन कर रहे थे विच वॉज लाइक द लास्ट सीन ऑफ ओ माई गॉड 2, तब हम सारे बच्चे बस बैठे हुए थे. वी वर टॉकिंग टू पंकज सर एंड देन व्हेन आई हैड टू परफॉर्म ऑन द स्टेज तब यामी मैम से भी बात हो रही थी. मेरा जो पिन था वो गिर गया था तो यामी मैम वाज लाइक यू ड्रॉप्ड योर पिन.
Yeah, so like sweet, nice memories
Very
you
nice.
have. अब आपका जो अपकमिंग एक प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है उसके बारे में अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहो.
So Kalavaram is a Telugu movie that I'm doing and उसकी shoot start हो गई है. So we'll be shooting more I think in like 1 or 2 months. So it's basically like a romantic film and it's also there's a lot of mystery and I think that's all I'm going to say because then the rest you will come to know.
Right. So from your surname and I believe आप बॉम्बे से है. So how is the whole language transition से आप कैसे cope up कर रहे हो?
Language transition as in okay so Navani like a Sindhi right?
Yes.
But मुझे सिंधी बोलना नहीं आता है.
Okay.
It's just that I talk in Hindi, I talk in English, and then when they teach me like few languages, जैसे Telugu हो गया
Yes,
on
correct.
set.
Right.
So I think it's very easy for me to learn those dialogues. In fact, I've done this ad with Ramya Krishnan. It was a clothing brand ad, and उधर एक थे ट्यूटर जो मुझे सिखा रहे थे तेलुगु. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है सारी लैंग्वेजेस सीखना और बोलना.
आपने एक्चुअली द लेजेंडरी अमिताभ बच्चन सर के साथ भी काम किया था. व्हाट वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हिच ad was that?
So I have actually worked with Amitabh Bachchan ji thrice.
Oh.
The first ad that I did was for Kalyan Jewellers. Then I did for Muthoot Finance. And then again it was for Muthoot Finance.
Okay.
And a legendary, yeah, he truly is. मैं जब सेट पे गई थी तो वो जैसे ही एंटर किए वो ऑरा वाइब उनका इट जस्ट चेंजेस यू नो लाइक
Right.
एंटायरली. एंड मेरा जो सीन था उसमें मुझे उनको हक करके डायलॉग बोलना था. So my director sir was like, are you cool with it? I mean, it's Amitabh Bachchan, so are you cool with it? I was like, of course not. It's Amitabh Bachchan ji. I'm definitely like very nervous, but I did it, and he was very sweet. He was like, you did a great job. He also asked me how have you been and stuff like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
so he's
sweet.
a legend.
I also, happened to scroll through your Instagram and I saw a picture of yours with Ranbir Kapoor. Are you his fangirl? Like, because otherwise तो आप बस सबके साथ काम कर ही चुके हो, but उनके साथ, as you said that there is no work history as such. So, are you Ranbir fangirl?
I am a Ranveer fangirl. I love his acting. He's a great actor. And I met him at my Masi's building. So like basically they stay in the same building.
Okay.
And he knows my Masi, he knows my Masi's son. So we just had a good conversation. I've met him twice at the gym. And he's always been very sweet and humble to me.
Yeah, he is.
He is.
Do you desire to be cast opposite him ever?
Definitely, I would love to work with him.
Of course, yeah. I mean, everyone does. Any favorite film that you wish I should have been a part of it?
Of Ranveer Kapoor,
In general.
in general. I like this film, Jigra, by Alia Bhatt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There you
so
go. You
I
just
would-
targeted.
Jigra, I think that's a great movie and she just killed it.
Right. You in a tender age decided to be a part of the industry. A lot of people, they after their 20s probably come to Bombay and start. So who takes the decisions? Because the industry it's a bad world out there. So which project is authentic? How do you go about with it? Like, what is the whole process that goes in?
Since my childhood, my mom has been handling most of the things. And of course, it's like I have ideas about things, but I would say like she's my momager. She's the one who handles everything. She takes the decision and I am okay with her taking decisions because I just rely on her completely. So yeah, she's always been there with me.
So you have somebody to
I
get
have.
into the whole work process and everything.
Yes, a lot of support. Even my dad, my brother, they're quite supportive. So I love it.
Yeah, then there's no issues. Now you belong to the Gen Z and it is so Instagram driven. Do you feel any pressure reel dalna hai or like the whole follower game, the viewership game, does it somewhere impact you?
Honestly, nowadays क्या हो गया है कि they ask for your Instagram handle and they see
Correct.
your engagement and everything. Okay, if it's right, then only we'll cast you. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है. So it just feels कि okay, you know, so now this is the world, now this is the industry. But मुझे कभी ऐसा pressure नहीं लगा है कि मुझे ये डालना ही है. It just happens. I love making reels. I love posting on my Instagram, interacting with my followers. So yeah.
So you started your career as, you know, giving auditions, look tests, etc. A lot of people of your age and around your age are just earning through brand collabs. Does that get to you कि shit यार हमने इतना line में खड़े रहे, and they just like, you know, for one post, because I believe a lot of 20, 18, 16-year-olds are like, you know, making so much money that even a full-time job person का yearly CTC नहीं होता. So does that get to you sometimes यार कि हमने तो इतना किया है and they are like getting it?
Honestly, I'm doing acting, modeling, and I'm also, you know, uploading content on Instagram. So it's like even I do get like paid collaborations, but मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा है कि, you know, we have worked so hard and why am I not getting it? It's just that I'm happy with whatever it's going on now, because even Instagram has a lot of fame.
Correct.
It has a lot of opportunities. तो हाँ, मुझे कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं है. I just accept it how it is.
Fair enough. Do you also intend to do a reality show if you get an offer?
I would love to.
Like something like a Traitors or something like
Oh,
that?
I was watching Traitors yesterday.
Yeah, because when I saw Sufi and when I saw Rebel Kid, I think they all are like, you know, roughly around your age, and that's the reason the question just struck my mind.
Something like Traitors, yeah, definitely. I would love to do it.
है ना? I think it's pretty cool. And you know, as we started the interview, as you started with a fashion show, and then later on movies हुई and, you know, ads हुए. आपको personally क्या पसंद है? Like walking the ramp or facing the camera? Like what is your calling?
Facing the camera. I love that.
Okay, so you modeling से ज़्यादा you enjoy acting.
I enjoy acting. In fact, recently I did my first theatre play. तो मुझे बहुत नया experience लगा.
Live audience होता है तो एक rush भी मिलता
Right,
है.
because I have a habit of action and cut. But सबके सामने perform करना है. And I also had that fear कि shit, dialogue ना भूल जाओ.
Right.
A very new experience. So I would always say acting is something that I'll keep first.
Okay, fair enough. So, you know, a lot of people have this notion कि एक बार अगर आपने मूवी कर ली या you know आप एक A list में आ जाते हो and then TV का ऑफर आता है, they're like यार टेलीविजन नहीं करना है, it's a little typecast and looked down upon. If you get like a good role in television, would you grasp it or would you let go and, you know, wait for some silver screen debut?
Television, like serials and all,
Daily
right?
soap, yeah,
Daily
correct.
soap, right? I have gotten offers, but मैंने कभी किया नहीं because schooling था, it would have been very hectic for me, you know, right?
Yes.
But अभी भी काफ़ी सारे offers आते हैं, but let's see in the future if I get a good offer, then I can go
You're
for
open to it.
it. Open to it.
And now talking about your education, so जैसे schooling तो खत्म हो गई, so are you pursuing something ahead as well?
I am in my second year. I'm doing BMM.
And which college are you doing it from? It's a
So-
private or?
No, it's not a private. It's in my locality.
Okay.
Right. So I go there.
So how are you balancing now the studies and the acting job that
Quite
you're doing?
easy. I mean, even this BMM is kind of related to acting. So we have a lot of assignments in college. Mostly ज़्यादा assignments होता है, and it's just basic general knowledge that you have to, you know, give in your exams. So it's quite easy for me to manage. It's always been quite easy for me to manage. If you have a proper timetable, if you know
Right.
what
Time
to do
management is very important. Yeah.
right. Yeah.
And now that you know you are so good looking, you're successful, you're making your own money, there will be a lot of male adulation that you get. What's your style of saying a no without even hurting someone?
See, if I don't have any interest in that person, I'll be like, it's fine. I mean, no. Like a straight no. Sometimes when you're going out at a mall and then someone comes to you, you're like, they're like, I wanna take your Instagram handle. And you're like, no, I mean, I'm not interested. I think that's a basic way, right? I'm not interested.
No. Yeah. तो हमने फैशन की बात कर ली, हमने टेलीविजन की बात कर ली, फिल्म की बात कर ली, एड्स की बात कर ली. नाउ ऑब्वियसली OTT platforms are booming and you've done shows like Mentalhood, Guilty Mind. How has been the experience been? Because Karishma Kapoor, you know, they also had like A-list and there were a lot of actors. कैसा था वो experience?
बहुत अच्छा था. Mentalhood mein to in fact there were a lot of other people as
Correct.
well. Karishma Kapoor, Dino Moria, Shruti Seth, and a lot more. I worked with Karishma Kapoor for the second time. मैंने उनके साथ पहले एक project किया
Okay.
था. When I was, I think around 8 years old, it was for an ad, Days Shoes. So it was my second time working with her. And I was actually playing the daughter of Sandhya Mridul in Karishma Kapoor, who's one of the, you know, iconic, like the stylish moms. So it was great working with everybody on set. Yeah. And also the co-actors that I had, again, like,
And it was more of fun because there are a lot of kids also in that.
exactly,
Yeah.
you know, a lot of kids. We were the same age group.
Correct.
Yeah, so we just had a blast on set. बहुत ज़्यादा time spent किया. We just used to sit in the vanity vans when we didn't have our shot. We just used to order food, gossip करते
It was
रहते
a
थे.
gala time.
Yeah.
What was the duration of the shoot? Like kitna, 1 month,
Around a month.
around a month, and it happened in Mumbai itself.
Yes, Mumbai.
बात करते हैं करिश्मा कपूर. You've also worked with Amir sir. How was that experience?
Amir sir is just amazing. He's a perfectionist. And you know, as soon as the project got over, I went home and I showed my mom the acting like he does. So whenever the shoot used to get over, he used to be like, okay, yeah, perfect. You know, like, because he wanted everything to be like proper and
Yeah.
just, you know, on point. So he just used to have that, okay, yeah, perfect, you're amazing. And he used to have that habit of repeating things. He's a fun person to be with.
So from all the people you have worked, who has been your most favorite?
Amir sir, Amitabh Bachchan ji, and Pankaj Tripathi.
Okay, all three actors.
Yeah.
Actresses में से अगर
Actresses में Ramya Krishnan, like I said, I worked with her. And I did one project with Juhi Chawla when I was very chotu. So it was good working with her as well.
Oh, that is amazing. Like you have got like some good names to your kitty, and I hope that you're able to add much more. Now serious talks to bahut kar liye, so now let's do like a quick rapid fire.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Vedika, so are you ready for the rapid fire?
Ready.
Okay, one actor you would love to go on a coffee date with.
Ranveer Kapoor.
Your secret celebrity crush.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Dance floor or movie marathon, what's your vibe?
Dance floor.
One role you wish you would have done. I think Jigra is what you
Jigra,
said,
yeah.
If your life was a Bollywood movie, what would the title be?
हर पल खुश.
Okay. Your go-to cheat meal.
Oh my god, there's so many. Momos, fries, burgers, fried rice, everything. Pani
Everything
puri.
junk. हाँ.
Everything junk.
A weird talent of yours that no one knows.
I can talk, I can eat non-stop.
But it doesn't look like you're so fit. Who's funnier on set, Amitabh Bachchan or Amir Khan?
Amir Khan.
If you could swap life with any Bollywood actor for a day, who would it be?
Alia Bhatt.
I was just coming.
Yeah,
I
we
knew
just spoke
it.
about this, you just know it.
One rumor about you that you wish was true.
Oh, are you a part of a Bollywood movie as a heroine? Yes. Soon.
Wow, that was a lovely rapid fire. Lastly, जाने के पहले, like, you know, any message you want to give out to your fans, audience, or young budding talents, all yours.
I'm just so grateful for all the love and support that you've given me. Just keep loving, just keep supporting, and मैं और भी बहुत सारे projects करूँगी in the future. I just want you all to show all the love and just be gentle with me. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Vedika.
Thank
it was
you.
a fun conversation.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here.